Hello everyone! Welcome to another video of Unboxing Toys Adventures with Bluey and Pinky. My name is Bluey and thank you again so much for joining us today as we continue along with our educational piece. And if you have not done so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also check out our past videos that we have done for our educational piece as well as our unboxing segments. We have a lot of new toys that we have revealed and unboxed, and we invite you to check them out. Today we are slowly wrapping up our alphabets, so we are almost there. We're almost towards the end, but also our last few alphabets, we actually have like all of a sudden an influx of a lot of characters. So this will be exciting today. So this video, we will introduce characters, descriptions, names of toys, and fun, cute things, collectibles that starts with letter S and T. So we're only doing 2 alphabets today because as you can see we have already plenty just for these 2 letters. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get started introducing this 2 awesome letter families. All right, let's start with our S family. So basically we got a bunch of characters that starts with an S, and so we have all the characters, not all actually, some characters, descriptions, names that starts with letter S. So I don't think this is the entire collection that I have that starts with a letter S. I just, pick whatever I can see, and since we have a lot, go ahead and start with this awesome character from Monsters Inc. And this is Sully. This is from our McDonald's Happy Meal collaboration with Disney collection. Then we also have this version of Sully, and this is from our Easter Adorable collection. So his color is a little bit more lighter in tune with the Easter themed colors. The next up we have Simba, also from our McDonald's Happy Meal collection. And my favorite buddy here, named SpongeBob SquarePants. Then we have Sally from Cars, Lightning McQueen's buddy, one of his buddies. Speaking of Sally, there's another Sally that we know from Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, this is from our Nightmare Before Christmas Adorable collection, and I believe this is a glow in the dark version. Let's introduce some Emoji Pop characters like this one. This is the sun, and the sun is not quite happy right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's too hot, or maybe the sun is going away. I mean, it's gonna be less pretty soon because we're approaching fall and winter, maybe. Then we have our Disney princess. We have Snow White. And I want to introduce our My Little Pony collection too. We actually have 4 ponies that starts with letter S. So we need to include them as well, right? This is Shutter Snap. Cute. Look at that. This is Sherbert Sunset. Came up all these cute names, huh? Sherbert Sunset, Shatter Snap. Very cute. Then we have one of Snow White's dwarfs. This is Sneezy. As you can tell from its nose, it likes to sneeze all the time. Achoo. Achoo. Then we have Scar from our Disney villain collection. Then from our SpongeBob SquarePants family again, we have Sandy. Ooh, a lot of people love this one. Stitch. What's a Disney character starts with an S without Stitch, huh? And Stitch also has a adorable equivalent, and this one is a pink one because of our Easter Dorable. This also came the same one as Sully. So they have the Easter theme colors. So that's why Stitch is pink here. Or maybe this is a girl version of Stitch, I don't know. But it came from the Easter Dorable collection for sure. Okay. Then we have Squirt. Squirt the turtle. You know, I'm honestly torn where to put this little fella here because his name is Squirt, but he's a turtle. So he might come back for tea again, huh? We'll make him double dip. He's also an S and a T. We have more My Little Pony here. This time this is Sweets Pop. Nice. This is Sunny Star Scout. This is actually Pinky's favorite. Sunny Star Scout. Not without introducing Squidward, the grumpy squid. Okay. Another emoji pop. This time we have the skates. Roller skates. Finally, for our S family, we have Sleepy. The Sleepy Dwarf. There you go, guys. That wraps up our S family. As you can see, there's a lot we have, and I probably would have more, but it will be only the entire video featuring the S family, so we kind of don't want that. We want to at least have 2 letters at the same time. So that is our S family. So let's go ahead and introduce our next family, which contains names, description, titles that starts with letter T. Alright, so we have a few T's as well, not a whole lot of S. So let's go ahead and introduce them to you. Let's start with a princess to introduce our T family, and this is Princess Tiana. Again, from our McDonald's Happy Meal and Disney collaboration. We also have the Princess Tiana in our Adorable collection. This is from our Disney Princesses Adorable collection. So we have Princess Tiana in human form. Then we have a couple emoji pops that also starts with a T. For example, this one. This is a tugboat. Okay. Really cool. Tugboat. And happy. This is Tomatoa from our villain collection, the Adorable villain collection. This is like transparent here, so nice. Guess who's back? This time he's not coming as Squirt, he's coming as a turtle. Huh. Talk about double dipping, huh? Turtle. Then we have another one from McDonald's and Disney collaboration. We have Tinker Bell. We have a teapot from Armoji Pop Collection. She is happy and yummy. She's serving some nice pot of tea. Then we have Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. This is Toad from Super Mario Brothers. Finally, we're closing off our tea family by introducing a Sanrio character named Tuxedo Sam. And he's asleep. This is from our Sleeping Sanrio collection. Okay, there you go, guys. That wraps up our S&T family. And this is fun because this time I got plenty to show. And I enjoy introducing these again. So thank you so much for joining us. And we are almost there. We're down to our last 6 alphabets. And we can't wait to show you our next adventure after that. So again, thank you for joining us, and we will see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.